Good morning, guys. It is Storm Captures back with another video. I hope you all ready for some awesome entertainment. We got some storms coming into the East Troy area. Not sure if y'all can see it because of the water on the window, but it is getting dark out there. And if you're wondering why my voice is so crap, I'm sick. I don't know if I'm sick, but it's just that allergies. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Just about slipped and fell. We gotta turn this puppy on. There it goes. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Here it goes. Come on, baby, come on. Start up. Oh yeah, that's good right there. I did that one-handed, y'all see that? Alright guys, let's go get in. Take our shoes off here, like that. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's warm, dude. That's warm, dude. Holy cow. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the car show video. Planning on making another vlog today. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in a little bit. I also should have somebody coming down with me. I don't think he's there yet. I think he's still taking his medicine and all. But yeah. There. Oh, that happened, I guess. Doesn't want to stay up, does it? No. Okay, whatever, that's fine. Yeah, we're supposed to have storms today, and it's windy already, so hey, there you go. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And let's continue. Because we are awesome. There's our Jeep. Look at all the ducks in the window, man. Look at that. Beautiful. With a handicap tag there. You know what's funny? I think you should have a duck on it like the ducks on the dashboard, you know? It'd be like a handicap duck. You know what I mean? Alright guys, check this out. Listen how this echoes. Ba-da-ba, 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 ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba, ba-ba-ba, ba-da-ba, ba-ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba, that echo is insane, dude. Windy out there, look at that. It's a coming. Alright, y'all see that coming? That's coming towards the East Troy area. Right there. Boom. Right there on top of us. There is lightning in the area, so I'm probably not going to be in the pool much longer, but hey, there you go, right? Yeah, here comes the wind. Oh. Hey, dude, what's going on with you? What's going on with you? About time you showed up. There's the man of the hour. Look at you. Look at that man right there. Oh. Trees be moving back and forth, man. Got rain coming in. What you doing there, man?
Oh, just, you know.
Oh, sorry, what was that?
Just, I don't know.
Here comes the man of the hour. My hat?
Yeah.
Where you at? There you are. It's under my stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, it's under my stuff. I don't know. There you go. You coming in? Yeah. Okie dokie. What'd you do? Oh, I saw that. That hurt, man. I felt that.
I just felt like very, very hard, but just kind of hard.
Oh, feels good, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Come on over here for a minute. There's the man of the hour. That's Alex right there.
Oh, yeah.
Feels good, huh?
Oh, other than that got me woke up now.
Guess what? Splash.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got rain coming in. I was trying to record it, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, severe thunderstorm watch issued for Walworth County. This is gonna be epic. Oh, there it is, right there. Thunderstorm coming in right now to East Troy, Walworth County. I'm trying to get a better view so y'all can see it okay. Let me get over here real quick. People are probably going to frown upon this, but I love recording weather, so it doesn't look too bad over here. Probably because it's still coming in right now, but you know, it'll get here when it gets here. There you go, there's some clouds for y'all. I know y'all love the weather stuff, so I'm recording it for you. Despite the fact it may be against the rules, because hotels have that for some reason. But yeah, there you go.
Someone's thing fell off.
Good job, man.
Thanks.
And we're back.
Did your phone go off?
What?
Did your phone go off?
No, I didn't hear anything though. Did yours?
Yeah. You better let him in.
He got locked out. Look at that. He got locked out, poor guy. There's our hotel. Someone's mattress out here is pretty nasty. House cleaning and all that. That's a better shot. Yeah, there you go, Storm. Look at you brewing up. Do what you gotta do, baby. Do what you gotta do. You're beautiful. Alright. Look at that couch, man. Very comfy. It's coming now. Oh yeah, here it comes now.
Barbecue. We're literally having a family barbecue. Yeah.
More like a stormacue, right?
Yeah. That's the boat goodbye, by the way.
Yeah, we take that.
Good thing there's only a small storm coming through. So. Here it comes again. Because when I looked at the radar, it was just red and orange coming through. Just red and orange.
Said it was going to rain now, and then I saw it a little more later.
Oh yeah, there you go. Just no hail, please. I don't want my Jeep to be destroyed.
Oh, that's your there?
That's my rig right there.
Oh, yeah. I see that. No. We did it.
Hearing that lightning, I'm expecting one to hit right over here. I really am, just right there. I may have jinxed it. I may have called it. Because now I'm waiting for
I
it.
start to feel the, like,
The hair stand up, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man. I never had one strike right next to me before, but where my house is in Missouri, we're like at a really low plateau kind of thing. We're at a dead-end road. We had one just hit at the next house over.
Oh, really?
It was right there.
Yeah.
I've never had one hit right in front of me though, so that's pretty crazy.
You're heading to tow packers.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man.
Oh, and your wristwatch too?
What's that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get this. Oh, you already haven't seen nothing yet. I got a whole 2 bags of stuff in there
All back.
because I'm not from here. So every time I go to like a Goodwill or a store, it's a gold mine. I'm not kidding. It's awesome. It is awesome, man.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Uh-oh. I'm glad I'm not out there. It's coming, man. I guarantee you it is. I jinxed it. I told you one's going to land right there. Now it's coming for us. Look at that over there. Look at the highway. I mean, just straight that way is coming right over here. I think that's what they're calling for. Severe thunderstorm and flash flood.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That is insane. So that would mean I would have watched Brett Favre too, because he played in the 2010 season.
You probably for sure did.
Because he played with the Vikings that year.
I mean, I remember him on the Jets. We saw him on the Jets actually. We saw him. He came and played against the Chargers on the Jets, and we were like, we got to go watch Brett Favre.
Oh yeah.
So we went to that game. I think it was something weird. Like LT had like 3 touchdowns that game.
Something like that.
Yeah. But we definitely watched some Brett Favre.
Yeah, I remember the 2010 NFC Championship against the Bears, man. I remember that game.
BJ Raji?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
An unlikely lineman to do that, man. Come on.
The best thing ever. I still remember like watching that. And,
Big BJ Raji for the touchdown.
I was a little worried that he like didn't control the ball at the very end.
Yeah. Oh yeah, when you first went in.
He starts dancing, and then like luckily there's like 3 other Packers that come and grab the ball just in case to make sure.
And they got it.
Yeah, and he's good. But I remember watching, and we were like, make sure he's in, make sure.
You remember when he called himself the freezer?
So he just up there and does that. It's so funny.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He was a beast, man.
Yeah.
It's oh yeah, right over there, man. I told you. I told you. God's good, man. God's good.
It does seem like it's getting closer.
Oh, I saw that! I got that video! Let's go! I got it! Yes! 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 I just hope I don't get zapped right here. That would suck. Yeah, because that just hit right over there. That might have been one of my greatest captures I've ever gotten.
That was a good one.
Because my camera was pointing right there.
Yeah, yeah.
So, I don't know.
Do you fantasy football at all?
Not very much. Not very much. Yeah. If I had to, I'd probably put Jordan Love on there.
Yeah. It's hard to play when you're like I like to tackle like not draft Packers.
Oh, I missed it. It was right there. I saw that. That hit right above that tree line right there.
Yeah. Stand out in the rain. It's pouring out.
She's really talking, that's for sure.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go through the whole workout.
Yeah, I'll look you up too. Show them,
Yeah, thanks.
show them for a little bit. Or yeah.
That was one of the coolest captures I've ever gotten right there. I've never had a lightning capture on camera before, so that's pretty cool. Look at that right there. Oh my gosh, dude. Here it comes. This is the second round, Sorry for the voice crack. I may just get a chair and sit. I don't know. Oh my goodness, man. There's lightning over there. I don't know if y'all saw that. Oh, I don't know if I caught that. I think I did though. I saw that thing. This is really something. This is really something. Still can't believe I caught that one over there. That's what's crazy, man. Goodness sakes! Holy cow, that was close, dude. That was right there. Oh my gosh. I may have stopped recording too early. Hold on just a minute. Look at that. It's coming, dude. Another big round coming. That is insane, dude. I'm gonna have to go to the other side again. You see the wind going?
Yeah.
Look at that, man. You gonna record some too?
No, I'm recording.
Okay. Oh yeah, here comes the wind, man. You okay?
Yeah.
You wanna sit down over here maybe?
I'm think I'm fine where I am.
I like watching the trees get moved around, you know? Here comes the rain now. Boy, I love storms, man. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Pretty good out here.
Right? You look at the rain. The other day it rained here and the parking lot like flooded and it just
Oh, the one
came-
here?
Yeah. And it just came down so fast. It was crazy.
My goodness. Saw that one.
I didn't bring my raincoat. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah.
This is cool, man.
So how many days are we supposed to have storms?
I think today, Thursday, Friday, next week.
Oh.
So I don't know for sure. It's just a few days next week. It's today and a few days next week, yeah.
I feel like my hat.
Oh yeah.
I still like my hat.
I know you do.
We're all rain trouble.
Yeah, man. That camera is insane, dude. Look at that 4K right there. Y'all are looking at this in 4K. And there's the pool right there. Look how clear that is, man. Wow. Whoa! Okay, that's cool. Wow, dude. Is it just me or did the light just flicker? I think that light just flickered, man. Holy cow, we might have a power outage. It's crazy.
Right at the hotel.
It's crazy, man. So what do you think so far?
Pretty crazy out there.
It's pretty cool out there, man. It's awesome. That is a very rainy window. Come on. Look at this. That AC feels good right there.
Yeah.
Man, that is insane, dude.
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was one of the best thunderstorms I've ever captured in Wisconsin. Not even at my home in Missouri. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys on the next one.